Stephen Gilbert here, and along with my partners Greg and Eve, I want to show you a completely new way of getting hundreds of clicks a day and making thousands of dollars online, all without needing a website, fan page, or any traffic of your own. Gone are the days of playing the Google rat race and draining your paycheck for traffic and paid ads. And the beauty of this software is it only takes 30 seconds to get started. Our partner Eve has developed a new revolutionary software, and he has been using this to profit ever since. He's using it to siphon traffic away from major websites, and you can send this traffic anywhere you want. To CPA offers, affiliate offers, landing pages. You can literally do anything with this. And I don't say it lightly, but this is a revolution when it comes to internet marketing. And it's so easy, an 8-year-old could do it. Using this software, you'll be able to drive traffic to your affiliate links, your CPA offers, and your opt-in pages using other people's websites and other people's content. And it's all possible using our brand new Sinful Trader software. See that opt-in form right there? This isn't my website. I don't even know who owns this website, but I'm getting these leads on my list. How about this buy button we have here? Same thing. Not my site, but definitely my buy button. You'll of course decide exactly how you want to use these money layers and how you want them to appear. And you get to decide what you want to put in there. They can appear as soon as the user visits the site or after they browse the site for any matter of time. They can show videos, call to actions, scarcity bars, buttons, buy buttons, other websites, opt-in forms, you name it. Anything you want to put there, you can. Do you see the power in this and how you can make money? Good. It's about time you see something that's worth getting excited about. Because you've only seen a few of the ways, bare bones even, that you can use Sinful Trader to win the affiliate war, the selling war, and the internet marketing war you find yourself in daily. Let Sinful Trader do all of the dirty work to empower you and your earnings. Now, let me show you exactly how you'll use Sinful Trader to monetize nearly any website on the internet. You'll log into your Sinful Trader members area and enter the website link you want to add your own content on top of. For this example, we'll take this particular website, and of course, you can use any website you want. Then, you'll select what you'd like to add on top of this website. You can add an image, video, opt-in form, footer bar, buy now button, among other options. In fact, thanks to the iframe option, you can add anything you want, even another website. Then you'll simply configure your money layer in seconds and click Save This Offer. Now, you have a brand new link that you'll be able to share anywhere on the internet. And using our case study training that we include, you'll be 2 seconds away from free traffic in any niche that you can send anywhere you want. You can build a list and have a virtual ATM machine at your disposal, or send directly to your offers and start making sales immediately. That is your 30-second way to control, monetize, and build a list from any website on the web. That's how easy it is. Crazy powerful, right? And it's all done in just 30 seconds. You'll also access our step-by-step training on how to create any type of offer you want. Everything is included with the software to ensure that even if you're a newbie, you can start getting traffic and earning immediately. So if you want in, click that orange button on this page right now. That way you can access Sinful Trader for life for this special one-time discount price. And it's completely risk-free and backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. This low pricing is part of our grand opening special, so it won't be available for long. In fact, as soon as that timer reaches 0, it's going up. And 3 days from now, it'll be $97 for good. So click the Get Started button at the bottom of this page and get ready to change your business forever.